the post office now? Uh-oh.
Good deal, Deanna. Here we go. Keaton, here's a love letter from your girlfriend.
Oh, don't open it yet. Wait till you're old.
Who's your girlfriend? Vanessa or Cameron?
Oh, you gotta mop up all the mail.
Mop up the floor.
Yeah, keep the floor nice and clean in case a card falls on there.
Put that in here. Put it in the mail slot. Put it in the mail slot.
You guys didn't put your postal clothes on.
Weigh it. Put it on there. So weigh it.
Oh, this is an old scale, or whatever it is. Oh, it puts the numbers on there.